Hi guys, it's back from ActivateFit.Gym, and today I'm just going to take you through some basic neck stretches to help alleviate any sore, stiff necks or any headaches that you've been feeling. So firstly we're going to stretch our upper trap, so that's this big muscle along the side. So what we're going to do is we're just going to bring our ear towards our opposite shoulder as far as we can. And if you need more of a stretch, what you can do is you can hold on to a chair or you can sit onto your hand. And then if you want more of a stretch, you can get your free hand, place it on top of your head, and then just slowly pull your head a little bit more towards your ear. So you should be feeling a nice stretch in here. And you're going to hold this one for 30 to 60 seconds. And you're going to switch sides and do the other side. Okay, so that's the stretch for your upper traps. To stretch the back of your neck or your buttocks, we're going to take our hands and we're going to lace them behind your head. And then we're going to slowly bring our head down towards our chest. So you want to be feeling this in the back of your neck and the base of your skull. This is stretching your buttocks. To do our SEM, which is like this big fat neck, side neck muscle, we're just going to turn our head all the way to the side and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. So it's just stretching our SEM. And you're going to do one side, and then when you're done, you're going to do the other side. To stretch our left scap, or like our side back neck muscle, we're going to sit on our hand. We're going to take our free hand, place it on top of our head, and then we're going to slowly bring our head down towards our armpit, our opposite armpit. So you should be feeling this in the back. And just breathe into it and pull gently. So this is the stretch for left scap. And lastly, to stretch our scalenes or our front neck muscle, we're just going to bring our ear all the way to as comfortably as we can to the side. So bring our ear towards our shoulder as far as we can. And then you can either look up or you can look down. And you're going to hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. And once you've done one side, you're going to switch sides and do the other side. So this is a stretch for your scalenes. And they are your basic neck stretches. Thanks for watching, guys.